my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Guess who's here? Hey husband. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for clicking that play button. Before we get into this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. So husband and I are assembling for the first time in forever. We are assembling our furniture, guys. So we just received our couch and our TV stand, and we still had our coffee table which we had bought like a few months ago, so we're also gonna assemble that. So our living room is gonna be semi 5-2 being done. We just need like a few things like the rug and decor things. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. If you guys are ready for such content, stay tuned, guys. Home decor coming up, guys. I'm so happy to actually start with the home series decor. You see, guys, this someone I'm talking about is just annoying me. So I'm just gonna show you how these things are, guys. They're so big. I don't even know where we are going to start or how. I have you guys on a tripod already. So this is like our couch. We used to sit here, guys. This is where we used to sit, cam chair, and we had that little mini DIY couch we made. So this is the couch, I think, with that as well. I don't know what's in here. Down there, this is our TV stand. This is our coffee table and the screws for the coffee table. So we are going to start with the bigger thing, né? Yeah. This is a bad idea.
Only now. I knew the moment you told me. But I was just like, you know what? Have faith, little girl. Have faith, little girl.
Many unbearable hours later.
Guys, yeah, I thought I was gonna make multiple videos, but like, shame. We're done assembling our couch. We're actually sitting on it, but it's taking. There's something we did wrong. It is what it is. It is what it is. So now we just took out the pieces for the stand. I think I'm gonna spray paint the handles.
Are these the handles?
Yeah. You know?
They're so nice.
So now we are assembling
Yeah, no.
the TV stand. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the process of it or just the end result. At this point, I'm just over this. Like, yeah, I mean, I should have just asked them to assemble one and we would have done the other one ourselves. But I just wanted to like prove to myself that we can do it. I wanted to prove to myself that we can do it, and we did it. But now with the TV stand and these guys, like my thighs hurt, my fingers hurt, like everything just hurts, guys. Like never again. I'm sorry to all the feminists. This is a man's job. Yes, I said it. Guys. What time did we start this? At 11. It's 3 now.
Let's go. We have 2 more hours.
Oh, 4.
Yeah, 2 hours for this.
Or 4 for this.
For this one.
Hey guys, the pieces here. Anyway, yeah, I'll just show you the end result, guys. So it is what it is. Stay tuned. I need a drink.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Hey! That's not my papa. Little energy bagala.
Guys. Yabona Mabati, something will show you your mother's house. Something will show you flames. It's TV stand, guys. Like, I gave up. Baby girl here. Are you still in? Oh, Sasuzama already. Solinda, baby boy. You guys, I gave up. I called Yolandi and she was willing to help us, but now connection is bad. Like, everything is just so frustrating. Like, it's bad. It's really bad, guys. Like, I'm having a headache just from this TV stand. There's too many pieces. Oh, pieces. There's just so many parts of this. The screws, guys. So I'm gonna try. Born, are we even drinking at this point? I'm going to try and assemble the coffee table. We called the guy who delivered, and he said he'll come and assemble this for us. So we're trying to put the coffee table together so that if we are shula, he can come assemble it. So, and our couch is taking. We'll try and ask him to like tighten the screws, because like my thumb hurts honestly from tightening the screws. Yes, yo guys, as in this, it's just a lot.
Forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. as you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
So guys, this is how our sleeper couch looks like. I love this couch. I love it because it's big enough. Like 4 people can fit in the sleeper couch. Like I love it. And this is how the coffee table ended up turning out. We did tweak it a few times, but it's okay now. And right there is our TV stand, which still looks like a hot mess. We could not finish assembling it because there is one piece which is missing. Apparently they gave us 2 right-hand side pieces. Yeah. And so I did call them, and I sent them emails as well, so they are going to give us a new one. And plus I also don't like the color anymore, so I've completely changed everything. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course share this video. Stay blessed. See you next time.